Hey, what is up guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to be breaking down the best EHR software, which also stands for Electronic Health Record. Now, this is the digital version of a patient's medical history, including diagnosis, treatments, medications, laboratory results, and other relevant health information. And this information is then stored inside the EHR and is a computerized system that can be accessed by authorized healthcare providers to improve patient care and coordination. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down what are the best EHR softwares that you can use inside your healthcare practice and your small business that you can better use to manage your patient flow and have a good idea of where patients are at. And it's just a much better way to keep track of those health records and make sure everything is also HIPAA compliant. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. Of course, if you want to check out any of the companies we mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. Now, at that number one spot here we have in today's video is RxNT. Now, RxNT is a cloud-based integrated healthcare software, and they do allow you to build out medical office software designed for your specific specialty. So no matter what type of healthcare professional you are, again, whether you're in family medicine, internal medicine, primary care, psychiatry, mental or behavioral health, as well as physical therapy and rehab, they have a variety of different softwares, including the EHR side of things, which is the electronic health records, which is what we're focusing here on today's video. But in addition to that, you can also add on with RxNT, and one of the other side benefits is that they also allow you to add in things like telehealth, prescribing, other medical scheduling, so as well as software for billing. So you have a wide variety of different types of software that all kind of goes into one with RxNT, and it is why they are at the top here for the integrated EHR software, because they are really good for practice management and keeping better records, right? So you can improve the patient care with their ERX and patient portal. So you also get a patient portal as part of the EHR, and you also have custom charting and reports and mobile apps that all build through their EHR software. In addition to that, you also have electronic prescribing, practice management, and the billing company software. So it can make managing your healthcare practice, again, no matter what type of industry that you are in terms of certain specialties, in managing that you can do through RxNT. Again, they are the number one spot here in today's video. If you do want to get more information about pricing, I'm not going to be really focusing on that here in today's video. You can get a demo from all the companies linked down below in the video description to get a better idea, because it is very specialized as to what type of software you specifically need for your practice and the size and scale of your operation as well. It's a lot more complicated and much more intricate than maybe just signing up for like a Netflix subscription. So just in terms of the pricing side of things, again, they do also have AI powered features that can help make sure that things are up to date, as well as monitoring and logging the records that go into things and creating those AI type summaries inside the software as well, which can be helpful just in terms of saving you time as well. Moving in at number 2, we have is Ensora Health. Now, Ensora Health also offers, and they are now also rebranded in terms of their branding. They were Therapy Brands and it is now Ensora Health. So that's something to keep in mind there. If maybe you've heard of Therapy Brands before, they are now Ensora Health, but they do offer, in terms of the way of their offerings, they have, of course, all different types of products when it comes to the EHR side of things. They also have, mental health, substance use recovery, rehab therapy, a variety of different types of software and billing services that you can build out, all with Ensora Health. And as you can see here, this is what the software looks like. So you can build out appointments, scheduling for different clients, and making sure that your records are safe and secure, as well as, timing as far as certain like treatment groups and different things that you're looking at. Again, this is for, mental, behavioral, or rehabilitative therapists, of course, again, when you're looking for an EHR. And they also have the practice management side of things, revenue cycle solutions. So they help keep things all compliant and making sure that it is easier for you to run your healthcare-based business and your healthcare practice. And they came from the therapy side of things. So if you are in that space, it might make more sense for you to go with a company like Ensora Health, given their kind of background and how the software is originally designed. Moving in at number 3, we have is Next Gen Healthcare. And so Next Gen Healthcare also is powered by AI and built per performance. So they are similar to the other tools, they are a single platform that then also has a lot of other features built in. So they do have the electronic health records feature as an EHR, as well as their AI and next gen mobile. So if you are on the go, you can do that with their next gen mobile app, and that allows you to access your practice as well as AI documentation tools, all with their app and in the palm of your hand, as well as cloud-based information. So in addition to that, from their ambulatory health rate, you can elevate the performance and drive efficiency with AI and automation, enhanced solutions to, for better healthcare outcomes. That's within their EHR management. They also have practice management, patient experience, right? So they have a variety of other tools in addition to the EHR, although that is the kind of their main bread and butter. And they do have that from different healthcare record solutions, as well as their mobile side of things. So you can kind of go either way, depending on what you need inside your business. You can manage either patient flow on the go, or if you need things just more of a full suite, then you can go with that. So with their next gen enterprise and next gen office versus the next gen mobile and ambient. So definitely worth looking into next gen healthcare. Again, moving along, next in this list at number 4 we have is Athena Health. Now Athena Health, as you can see, they also have an AI native Athena 1, and that helps for managing out the vision and different ambulatory practices, and giving you a hub of information. So they do have, of course, the EHR software, as well as they also offer medical billing and practice management, as well as patient engagement. So honestly, one thing you're going to find common across a lot of these softwares is they do offer EHR solutions in combination with a lot of other software. If you look at the EHR, again, you can go through reason for visit, medications, all the kind of things that we did outline at the top of today's video. And this kind of shows you just like what it looks like inside. So you have, someone's name, age, and then you go through and you type in their information, and you have the last visit with all of that information, again, with the different patient insights, care coordination support. So that is all built out here inside Athena Health in terms of what kind of clinical support you need for your practice. Moving along, last but not least in this list today, we have is ModMed. Again, as you can see here, powered by AI. Again, that is quite the trend here with a lot of these EHR software solutions, integrating that into their software, which can be helpful in terms of making different decisions when it comes to data and synthesizing information here. So ModMed is also an all-in-one customizable. They offer a specialty-specific EHR software for certain workflows. So if you're in allergy, dermatology, ENT, gastroenterology, OBGYN, orthopedics, different features here in terms of the different specialties and what type of solution you might need. In terms of how your healthcare practice goes about doing things, as well as the patient experience, right? So analytics, clinical workflow, and how they help you in terms of all of that inside their EHR. And they also have the practice management side as well for managing your practice. Again, it is more specialized based on the different fields. So it might make sense to go with a company like ModMed if you really want those type of specialties. Again, one thing you'll find common and something important is to check the specialty inside the healthcare offering that you do have, because each different company and software is going to have workflows built out a little bit more to the specialty. So I would really focus on, when you're shopping around at these different companies, is find the specialty that best matches your practice at the end of the day. Those are typically going to be the ones that are going to make more sense, not only for just you, maybe as the business owner researching things, but also for your, different medical staff in managing your therapists or your doctors and who you have on staff, making things a little bit easier for their workflows too. Again, based on the specialty that you operate within inside your medical practice. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you want to check out any of the EHR software and electronic healthware or medical management practice software, you can go ahead and check out those links linked down below in the video description. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.